Hi, it's Amy and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do a rainbow and cloud inspired set of nails. Let's get started. Right, to start off our rainbow nails, we are going to use Pillar Box, which is a nice bright red, Mimosa, which is a lovely orange colour, Warm Fire, which is a lovely yellow, Shamrock, which is a nice bright green, The Doctor, which is a lovely cerulean type blue, and Pitch Purple, which is a nice indigo violet colour. For a base colour, we're going to use one of the nude pink collections of Shy Time, and then we're going to go in with a pearly fairy dust. So we'll start with the nude pink. So you want to go over all of the nails. Remember to pull away the skin and butt up to the cuticle as close as possible without getting any on the skin. Remember in those side walls and the free edge. Perfect, pop that in for 30 seconds. So once they've come out, we're going to use one of the Pearly collection in Fairy Dust. And then the thumb. So our rainbow's not going to span over those two fingers. Pop that hand in the lamp for another 30 seconds. Whilst we're getting that ready, we'll get our form ready. So we're going to use Pillar Box, Mimosa, Warm Fire, Shamrock, The Doctor and Pitch Purple. Because we're going to have some clouds as well, we're going to use some Snow White and then some more of the Fairy Dust, the Pearly collection. First what we're going to do, we're going to top coat with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Just on these two fingers. Pop the hand in for 60 seconds for me, please. So when that's coming out, we take some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint-free pad. And the three that we haven't top coated, we just need to rub over to take the sticky layer off. And we're going to use the Neo Nails 001 brush again. So we're going to go in with Pillar Box. Do a nice big arch. Don't need to go all the way down because we are going to be drawing a cloud in there. Pop that hand in for 30 seconds. So once that comes out, I'll go in with Mimosa, which is a gorgeous orange. And then flash cue that for 10 seconds. Then we're going to go in with Warm Fire. then flash cure for 10 seconds. Then we're going to go in with shamrock. Flash cure again for 10 seconds. Then we're going to go in with the doctor. Flash cure for another 10 seconds, and then finally pitch purple. This time curing for 30 seconds. And now take some of the Snow White. So I'm going to draw a cloud. Leaving the middle one. When you're happy with that, pop that in for another 30 seconds. Then once that's come out, we're going to go over with some of the fairy dust, which is the pearly, just to give our cloud a pearlescent, fluffy feel. Pop my hand back in for 30 seconds for me. And then finally we're going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat and do our 3 central fingers. As it's a top coat, pop that in for 60 seconds. So once they've come out of the lamp, we're going to put some cuticle oil on, again pink pineapple. And there you have it. Nice cloud and rainbow inspired set of nails. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below, so pop on over and give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.